Oh, hey. Are you recording?
Yes.
So, welcome to season 2 of Get Fit with Clark. Another important thing to do is to make sure you eat your fruits and vegetables. Like this banana right here, very high in potassium. Potassium's good for your muscles. It helps with cramping. So if you get a lot of muscle cramps, you want to drink a lot of water, get a lot of potassium, and get a lot of Del Taco burritos. So those are very high in potassium. You can peel banana 2 ways. You can peel it from here. That's how most Americans do it. Or you can peel it like from the bottom. That's how most monkeys do it. I like to do it the way my ancestors did it back in the day. So that's why I peel from the bottom. Delicious.